channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you unsubscribe, please do so. If you have, you want a little doll, babies.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
What is happening? Hi, baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today is a special video because this is another collab in the first part of 2022 that I do every year. Collabs, okay? And so today I am collabing with DeAnna Monet. I adore her. I have collabed with her in the past. If you haven't checked out her channel before, you really should. She's like a bright light in this space. I'm gonna include some pictures and a few little clips of her channel. I think that you would really enjoy it. She is a gorgeous human being. She's stunning. She has great energy. She does some different things on her channel than I do on mine. She does do some human hair reviews. I don't do those, so if that is something that you are looking for, check her out. She does some really quality human hair reviews. She also does a lot of like lookbook type of stuff and, you know, just some fun stuff over there. She has a little bit of some lifestyle and fashion things too, so if you are looking for those type of things, just check her out because she's awesome. Thank you, DeAnna, for collabing with me again, okay? Because we want to support each other and start this year out right. So we decided that we were going to choose some Bobbi Boss wigs, and I always say Bobbi Boss. I don't know why. And I'm so... I got the jean jacket on. I got the Bobbi Boss. I got the big hair. I'm like, I'm doing some type of 80s revival for real right now, and I didn't even mean to. I love the 80s, you know that I do. But who do we even have here? Who are we talking about? This is a Bobbi Boss wig. It's called Wendy, and this is part of their HD Ultra Scalp Illusion line. Okay, it says extra wide, I don't know, I'm like, extra wide deep lace parting, and it's soft focus double line HD lace flex fit cap. There were baby hairs, but you know, I always pull them back. It's free parting, which means you have all of this room here to sort of customize this wig and make it lay and be the way you want. I have her in the color F4/2730, and this color is stunning. This is the HL613/627. That color I am in love with. It's the same one on the front there. I scooped this girl up, I don't know. So I will need to put all of the deets down below in terms of where you can get her and how much you can get her and all that kind of stuff. So
I have some thoughts about this wig.
I'm going to be honest. Some of my issues are personal style and some of them are not. If you love this style and you love this wig, great. And you want to try it out, great. Okay. But I do have some cons. First of all, pro is this color. This 427, it really is on more of that sort of honey and auburn color family, and I'm loving that. A lot of times when you get sort of these auburny wigs, they fall real auburn or more red. This is just a really beautiful mix. It's a light yaki texture, so there is some texture to it. It is a curly wig, and these type of big barrel, like, you know, you put rollers in your hair or something, those type of curls do not honestly fare well in terms of longevity because it tends to get tangled. And this length I find to be a little bit strange for this wig. It's just giving me not proportioned correctly. I feel like the wig would be much better with like here. Like this is gorgeous. Look at that. This I could probably work with more at this length, but the length that it's at, it's just too long. There's too much hair for this particular style. That is how I see it, okay? Before I talk about some other things that I have that are sort of issues, let's look at her from the... I don't know. This beautiful girl here is Jean Reno Zara in the color Shaded Mocha. You should have a review on her. Yeah, the color is gorgeous. The style is just getting me. First, I'm not a huge fan of bangs, but I could actually rock with these bangs, except for like, I feel like they're too short for this style. To have your hair this long and then you just have bangs like this, and they're sort of curly, and I just think they don't frame the face well, all right? So then you can be like, oh, well, hey, Tia, it's free parting. So when I part it to the side, it's better, but it's still like, it's just not a very... it's not really flattering, the cut of the bang. So then you want to say, okay, let's do it even wider. Then you have sort of this like, oh, hey, it just looks like you cut your bangs too short, to be honest. Like if you did one of these, it could be okay. I mean, that's really the only way, because no matter how you part it, it's like your bangs are too short. Okay, what? I hate that. The other thing is, and this is a newer wig, this lace is itchy. It says that it's HG. It's not very soft. Like, you can hear it. So I was really disappointed with the lace too. I don't have a particularly sensitive scalp, and this is really kind of itching me. So that's, yeah. The color I love. The color I love. The fact that it's free parting and you can work with it. Okay, great. I just really, yeah, I'm already getting tangles. I don't recommend this wig, and I don't usually say that, to be honest with you. There'd be too much that you would need to do to alter this to make it work for you. And let me check, because I'm pretty sure this is like 50 bucks. Okay, so Bobbi Boss is retailing around $45 to $50, okay? And I feel like for that amount of money, you shouldn't be doing all this. Like, you shouldn't have to do, like, cut it long, or like, it's wrong. The bangs need to be longer, or the wig needs to be shorter. I don't know. I don't like it. The only way I could make it work, really, is to clip this back, but then that, like, totally, then what's the point, really? This is the only way. Even then, like, it's just wrong. It's just wrong.
It's wrong.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I do not recommend this wig. I think the style is not going to work for a lot of people. It's not going to frame your face in the right way. I don't understand the length. I don't like it. And honestly, that does not happen often. This lace is itchy. It's very itchy. I don't like this. I don't like it. I hope that DeAnna found another Bobbi Boss wig that she's having better luck with, and I can't wait to go to her channel to check that out. This one, I don't recommend this, okay? So, if you have this wig and you have thoughts, if you've made it work, please let me know how, please. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and then hop over to DeAnna's channel. Check out her review for this. Check out her channel in general. And thank you so much for partnering with me again, collabing. And that's all I have to say. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!